the port of IOS here in Kada. I actually came down with the bus. Cost about $180. I was going to say $1.80, but €180. There's a beach on that side. Pretty cool. Actually, when I woke up this morning, I went to the reception at Far Out Camping and I asked them what time the ferry leaves Athens in the morning. They said 7:55, but you better go down today and book your ticket because you can't buy the tickets on the ferry, and organise your ticket today, so you'll be right to go. So here I am. I've come down to the port. This is the port in front of me here. Big white building up ahead. Organise your ticket because you won't get it in the morning. I thought, okay, well, I'll come down here. And anyway, I went into that ferry office there, Blue Star Ferries and Golden Star Ferries, that white building in the middle. And the lady said, oh, well, I open up at 7 o'clock in the morning, so I would have been here. And I thought, okay, well, I made the trip for nothing, but at least I can take a bit of a video while I'm here in the port of IOS. That's the ship docks here, or the ferry docks here. Pretty cool. We'll just walk around. I think we better cross over before we get run over. There's gate 2. Love the water, brilliant. Everyone's obviously leaving to other destinations. There's more than one ferry, but they don't all go to Piraeus or Athens. They might go to Santorini or different islands. But apparently there's a strike tomorrow, a strike of ferries. So half of the ferries will end up not going tomorrow, not leaving tomorrow. So that was another reason to come down. Pretty cool. There you go, everyone's going for a boat ride here. How cool is this? Got to watch where I'm walking. Cool little port. Γεια σου. Αυτές έρχονται, για μένα δεν με καλάς. Εντάξει, άλλη φορά.